Hi guys, welcome. Just had this come up on the dash the other day. Code after trying to connect the Bluetooth to the head unit. For some reason it freaked out, and now I'm in this situation. So I'm going to do the reset. In order to do the reset, you have to get access to the battery, which is in the trunk. So I'll quickly show you what I've done. We needed a 10mm socket, spanner. You have to remove this. You've got 4 bolts on it, 2 down the bottom, 2 at the top, and then you've got access to your battery. So I'm going to disconnect the battery for 5 minutes and then go from there, and I'll do part 2 of the video. So let's see how this works. Okay, 5 minutes now passed, so we're going to reconnect the battery, and there should be a countdown timer on the dash, having the ignition on position 1. So let's see if that works. Oh yeah, the alarm's obviously going to sound for 30 seconds as well. So looks like we've got the countdown timer, so that will go, and once we've got to 10 minutes then we should be able to start the car. There we go, thank God for that, that's stopped. Let's turn the radio down. So we're now going to wait for the 10 minutes, and then fingers crossed it starts. Okay, nearly there, moment of truth coming up shortly. Final few seconds countdown. Don't think you have to touch anything. Oh, that's all standard. So let's turn the ignition. Oh, thank God, bingo, worked. Okay, hope this helps if you guys are suffering from the same problems. Many thanks for watching, please subscribe.